Hey guys, welcome back to the Crypto Cube channel. I have another video for you today, and I won't keep you waiting, so I'll get right into it. All right, what I'm going to show you today is Cash App, the blue side, what I call the blue side of Cash App, Bitcoin investing, which, if you don't already know, you can invest in Bitcoin. You can purchase Bitcoin through Cash App. It works just like any other investing app. They've had this set up for quite some time now, and the particular thing that I want to show you today is how to cash out your Bitcoin, or any amount of the Bitcoin you've invested or made a profit off of. So as you can see, I have a balance of $500.71. All right. Now, over the past 24 hours, I've taken a profit of $30, as you can see down in the bottom left-hand corner there. Bitcoin has been going up the past few days. Over the weekend, the total profit I've taken is it was between $90 and $100. So, that $30 is actually part of that $100 gain that I got, and that was gained off of the $500 that I've had invested in there for some time now. All right, so let's look and what separates Cash App from other apps. Now, it's not quite as detailed as maybe Webull or M1 Finance with their stocks, but what you can do when you earn or gain profits, you can cash out the profit, which it's already sitting in the side inside of, I guess, my regular Cash App balance. So I tap on that, cash out, and then as you can see there, I can choose any amount of it I want to cash out. So let's just say I'm cashing out $30. All right, you see where it says Standard Wednesday. If I hit that, it will deposit that $30 into my bank account within 3 business days. But if I hit at the bottom, it says instant, and then to the right of that, it says 46 cents fee. I can tap that, and that $30.56 minus 46 cents. So you take off, I think it would be $30.12 would go instantaneously into my bank account. And I have done this, and I've also, checked in my account, and the money went in instantly. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to cash that out. Actually, I'm going to reinvest it, but that is how you would do it. I did cash out the $70 I made the day before. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to invest in Bitcoin through Cash App, and how easy it is to cash out your profits. See there? See, Bitcoin can go down just like it goes up. It just went down $1 to $499. It can go up and down very quickly. And as you can see there, it's gone up 3% in the last 24 hours, 3.41%. The past week, though, has been really nice. Look at there. It went up 14% in the past week. In the past month, it's gone up 4.79%. So Bitcoin's been doing pretty good here lately. Yeah, it looks like I'm not going to say it's on a bull swing, but it has definitely recovered from the little dip it took last month. So we'll see where it goes from here. But I tell you what, I'm excited about it. And I definitely plan on leaving my investment in there. I'm not going to pull that out anytime soon, because I think cryptocurrency is here to stay. I think it's the wave of the future. And I also need to say I'm no financial expert. You should do your own research before you invest in any crypto or stock. All right. And only invest what you can afford. So in saying that, if you have any questions about the investing option on Cash App, please leave your comments below, or your questions and your experiences. I appreciate any comments you make. If you positive or negative experiences, I'd like to hear that, because it helps all of us out to hear you share your experiences with this. All right. And I will have more videos coming very soon. All right. Have a good day.